Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Speak English with Almeen. Today we'll talk about the different household activities which are also called household chores and how to express them in English. Let's start right from the morning. In the morning, as soon as the alarm goes off, we get out of our bed and we make our bed. Now, what do I mean by make our bed? To make the bed means to arrange the bed neatly, to fold the blankets, to put the pillows in the right places, to spread the bed cover. All these activities together is called making the bed or to make the bed. Let's say it's very dark in my room and I want some sunlight to get in. What do? I draw the curtains. To draw the curtains means to pull the curtains apart. Let me also tell you, to close the curtains is also called to draw the curtains. So if I want to tell somebody to close the curtains, I can say, please draw the curtains. Now I look around and see that my table is totally messed up. There are so many things on the table and I don't want my table to look that way. So I clear the table. To clear the table means to remove all unnecessary things from the table so that it looks neat and clean. Now it's time for my breakfast and I want to make the table ready for my breakfast by keeping all the necessary things required for my breakfast on the table. This activity of making the table ready for breakfast is called to lay the table. Likewise, we can say to lay the table for dinner, to lay the table for lunch, to lay the table for breakfast, which means arranging everything on the table and making it ready for the meal. After I had my breakfast, I realized there are so many utensils in the kitchen which are not washed. So I go to the kitchen and do the dishes. To do the dishes means to wash the utensils, to wash the pots and pans, dishes, glasses, spoons, etc., which I hate to do. After doing the dishes, now I want to clean the floor. To clean the floor, at first, I sweep the floor, which we all know, and then I mop the floor. To mop the floor means to wipe the floor with clean water and any floor cleaning liquid. After I have mopped the floor, I want to vacuum the carpet. To vacuum the carpet is to clean the carpet by using a vacuum cleaning machine. After cleaning the floor, I realize my furniture is not looking clean at all. A lot of dust has settled down on the surface of the furniture. So what do? I dust my furniture. I dust the sofa. I dust my almirah. I dust the shelf. Now that my house is absolutely clean, I want to wash my clothes. What all do we do to wash our clothes? Let's say we are not using a washing machine. So at first we wash our clothes, then we rinse our clothes in clean water to get rid of extra dirt or detergent. Then we wring our clothes, which is to squeeze our clothes so that we can remove the extra water. After wringing our clothes, we hang the clothes out on a clothesline to dry. Once the clothes are clean and dry, we bring them in, we iron them, and then we fold them. Now, there is an expression which can be used for all these activities of washing, rinsing, wringing, hanging the clothes out on clothesline to dry, and then ironing and folding. This expression is doing the laundry or to do the laundry. Let's say I'm ironing my clothes and someone asks me, "What are you doing?" I will say, "I am doing the laundry." So that's how we express the different household activities, which are also called household chores in English. If you've learned anything from this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.